Right, so we're going to cook these beef burgers. What I've got in here is half a kilo of minced beef, 5% healthy. Not really that healthy because I've drunk about 4 cans of lager while I've been making it. So that's the beef. I'm going to put in 1 red chilli, 1 green chilli, half onion, and a packet of coriander. Trying not to add half my finger like I usually do. With the Mora knife. I do believe this is a Mora companion. So I'm going to chop up all this coriander as well. I'm going to put half the onion on the side to slice up, put on the burger buns. We'll chop this up in a second. I can go in there with the beef. I have my trusty chopper. This was the thing that I used last time and I broke me broke something that slid off the table while doing this. Just being lazy really. I could use a knife and chop it up. In that goes. Bit of black pepper. Bit of salt. Some garlic granules, or chop up garlic itself. Roughly a teaspoonful of ground coriander, or guess like I do. Some extra crushed chilies. You find that even though they're hot, most of it cooks out, and a teaspoonful of ground cumin. Mix it all up, put it into patties. So what I have brought with me is my burger press. Not the one I normally use at home, but it's quite a novel little device. Knock these up into around 4. Balls. steal a little bit back of these. In there, press it down. Another one in there. And there you have 4 burgers. You can stick them in the fridge if you want, cook them later. In my case, they go in on the griddle.